Under the muted sky, a solitary girl sits, her gaze lost in the distance as the rain whispers around her. The city blurs into a watercolor of grays and blues, reflecting the overcast sky. Some people come and go, but some people stay in your heart forever. She waited 7 years, then he showed up with a ring. The soft piano music swells, carrying the weight of unspoken promises. The coffee shop is bathed in sunlight, where the girl and the young man share laughter and youthful joy. Their eyes meet, a loving gaze passing between them. He playfully places a paper ring on her finger, a symbol of their affection. The scene is filled with warmth and affection, a stark contrast to the present. At the bus stop, rain intensifies the girl's solitude, each drop adding to a symphony of melancholy. Through the blurring rain, a figure slowly materializes, drawing closer with each step. The man approaches, his face a canvas of hopeful anticipation mixed with deep vulnerability. In his hand, a small, dark velvet box catches the light, a stark contrast to the storm's gray. He stops before her, a hopeful expression in his eyes as the music swells, amplifying the moment's emotional weight. With a hesitant breath, he breaks the silence. I know it's been a long time. Amidst a fortress of books, Emma sits, lost in study. Daniel approaches, hope lighting his face. Disaster unfolds as Daniel trips, sending books flying. Oh, wow, Emma exclaims, her laughter filling the air. I am so sorry. Are you okay? Daniel asks, a picture of flustered charm. Sunlight filters through the trees as Emma and Daniel stroll side by side, their laughter echoing in the air. Their easy banter fills the air, a symphony of shared joy and unspoken connection. Daniel's joke hangs in the air, a playful spark, igniting Emma's joyous reaction. Emma playfully shoves Daniel, her eyes sparkling with mirth as their bond deepens. In this moment of carefree bliss, their growing affection radiates through the sun-drenched park. The light and airy atmosphere mirrors the blossoming romance between them. In the quiet of the college cafeteria, Emma is lost in her whimsical world, her brow furrowed in concentration as she sketches a dreamy landscape. Across from her, Daniel meticulously crafts a fantastical creature, his pencil dancing across the page with practiced ease. A shared moment of admiration as Emma and Daniel exchange notebooks, their eyes lighting up with mutual inspiration. The soft melody wraps around them, underscoring their dreams and the unspoken bond that deepens with every glance. Outside the vibrant airport, Daniel and Emma stand amidst the luggage, bathed in the sun's bittersweet glow. Their fingers intertwine tightly, a silent promise against the inevitable separation. Their eyes meet, a mirror reflecting love, shadowed by a deep, palpable sadness. Daniel whispers, I'll miss you so much, Emma. Emma responds, her voice firm with resolve. I'll miss you too, but we'll make this work. In her softly lit apartment, Emma sits alone, the glow of her phone casting a gentle light across her face. Memories of shared laughter and stolen moments surround her, each photo and gift a testament to their bond. A soft smile graces Emma's lips as Daniel's face flickers to life on the screen, momentarily bridging the distance between them. As the months drift by, the calls dwindle, and a shadow of sadness begins to eclipse the light in Emma's eyes. The apartment, once filled with shared joy, now echoes with the quiet ache of absence. In the dim solitude of her apartment, Emma sits, her eyes fixed on the silent phone. The pale light from the screen accentuates the sadness etched on Emma's face, the silence amplifying her solitude. Her fingers trace the outline of a framed photo, a poignant reminder of happier times with Daniel. A single tear escapes, tracing a lonely path down Emma's cheek, a silent testament to her heartache. The phone remains silent, the absence of a call, a stark symbol of the growing chasm between Emma and Daniel. Emma sits alone amidst the lively chaos of the cafe, a solitary figure in a sea of companionship. The joyous laughter of couples swirls around her, each sound a poignant reminder of her own isolation. Her eyes follow the couple's, a wistful expression painting her face as she observes their intimate connections. The sounds of chatter and clinking glasses amplify her solitude, each note a sharp contrast to her quiet introspection. She watches a couple share a tender moment, their hands intertwined, their eyes locked in a silent conversation of love. Lost in her thoughts, Emma's gaze lingers on the happy couples, her heart echoing with a longing for connection. In the soft glow of the lamp, Emma sits at her desk, a silhouette of focus amidst the quiet night. Her pen dances across the diary pages, each stroke heavy with memories and the fragile hope of what might be. She pauses, her fingers tracing the ink, a silent communion with words that capture the essence of a past love. The diary snaps shut, its echo resonating in the stillness, sealing away secrets and dreams. Sadness flickers in her eyes, a mirror reflecting the dimly lit intimacy of her private world. Yet, determination sparks within her gaze, igniting a flame of resilience against the shadows of yesterday. Spring arrives in full bloom as delicate blossoms adorn the bustling street corner. Summer's lush greenery envelops the scene, vibrant and alive with the energy of the season. Autumn's fiery hues transform the landscape, painting the trees in shades of red, orange, and gold. Winter's cold embrace blankets the street corner in snow, the world hushed and still beneath a blanket of white. Under a veil of light rain, the park entrance glistens with a melancholic beauty, its emptiness amplifying Emma's hesitant steps. The gentle patter of raindrops accompanies her solitary journey, each drop a note in the symphony of her conflicted emotions. In the distance, indistinct figures fade into the misty tableau, mirroring the uncertainty clouding Emma's heart. The rustling leaves whisper secrets in the light breeze as Emma approaches the threshold of decision, her spirit wavering between hope and trepidation. Under a sky weeping with rain, Emma wanders into the heart of the park, her gaze sweeping across the landscape. Each drop mirrors the heaviness in her heart as she passes the bench where they once shared laughter. She pauses by the tree where their initials are etched, now weathered by time and tears. Lost in a flood of poignant memories, the subtle dance of grief and longing plays across Emma's face. Under the somber sky of a rainy Sunday, Emma's breath hitches as she spots Daniel kneeling in the distance. Her heart races as she recognizes the sacred spot of their first picnic. Daniel turns, his gaze piercing through the rain to meet hers, a simple ring extended in his trembling hand. His voice, soft yet resolute, cuts through the downpour. "I never stopped loving you." Tears mingle with the rain on Emma's face as she whispers back, her voice full of emotion, "Neither did I." In the tranquil park, Anna and Mark find solace on a weathered bench, their hands gently touching. Sunlight streams through the canopy, casting a golden glow upon their intertwined hands. Anna's loving gaze softens as she looks at Mark. Mark gently intertwines their fingers, a tender gesture that speaks volumes. Sunlight fills the bustling coffee shop, dust motes dancing in the golden air. Anna and Mark share a table, steaming mugs of coffee sitting between them. Laughter fills the air as Anna and Mark lean in, completely lost in each other's company. Their faces glow with genuine affection, mirroring the warmth of the cafe. Soft piano music wraps around them, creating an intimate haven. In the heart of the coffee shop, their connection deepens. As the sun sets, Anna and Mark sit together on a park bench, hands intertwined. The sky blazes with orange and purple, framing their tender embrace. Some love stories aren't over, they're just on pause. And sometimes, the right person returns at the right time. True love always finds its way back.